HTML. Learning about the following points: structure of an HTML document, HTML tags, creating HTML files, viewing HTML files, modifying HTML files, and attributes. The World Wide Web is a collection of linked documents known as web pages. These web pages are written in a language known as Hypertext Markup Language, and that is HTML. HTML coding can be written using any text editor like Notepad or WordPad. A page created in HTML can be viewed using browsers like Internet Explorer, Netscape Navigator, or Firefox. HTML is considered as a universal language to design web pages. It is machine independent, which means it can be used on all types of computers and can be read by all browsers. HTML involves no programming. It is a way of organizing the layout of the web page and defining the hyperlinks so that it can be displayed by a browser. HTML was invented in 1990 by Tim Berners-Lee, a scientist at CERN, Switzerland, at the European Laboratory for Practical Physics. The purpose was to make it easier for scientists of different universities to gain access to each other's research. Tim laid down the foundation of the World Wide Web. Elements in HTML. An HTML document is made up of text, headings, paragraphs, tables, horizontal lines, lists, etc. These are known as the elements of an HTML document. A HTML page also has elements called tags and attributes, which are marks that are embedded in the text. These elements define the appearance of the page and decide how the page will appear in the browser. Browsers are able to understand the formatting specifications given by the tags and attributes. Tag sign an HTML page. A tag consists of a left angle bracket and a right angle bracket. The specifications given to the browser are written within the brackets. There are two types of tags: container and empty tags. 1. Container tags. Container tags are used in pairs and have a starting and ending tag. These tags define how the matter contained within them should be formatted. For example, to make a line of text bold, we use the tags B with open and close tags. Tags are not case sensitive, so small b in tag is the same as capital B in tag, but the correct way is to type them in lowercase. Empty tags. Empty tags have only a starting tag. Empty tags give formatting constructs like line breaks, BR tag, horizontal rule, HR tag, etc. Structure of an HTML document. The basic structure of any HTML document is open and closed HTML tag, in between open and closed head and body tag. In between header tag, there is a title tag. Let us study the elements of an HTML document in detail. HTML tags. All HTML pages are contained within the HTML open tag and HTML close tag. This tells the browser that the pages have been formatted in HTML. Head tag. The head tag is a container tag which encloses the head section of the HTML page. This section contains the introduction to the contents of the page. Syntax: open, head tag, and closed, close head tag. Title tag. Within the head section, we find the title tag. This is the container tag which contains the document type. The title specified inside the title tag appears in the browser's title bar. The title tag can use only plain text. It does not accept any more additional formatting. Syntax: open title tag, close title tag. Other than the contents enclosed within the title tag, all the other contents of the head section are not displayed in the browser. Body tag. The body tag appears just after the head tag. It is a container tag which encloses all the text and images that make up the page. All the elements and formatting constraints of the web page are specified within the body of the HTML page. Syntax: open body tag, contents of web page, closed body tag. When computers are connected to each other, they form a network. Networked computers are able to exchange information and share hardware and software resources like printers, scanners, programs, database, etc. Creating and saving an HTML file. To create the HTML document, we need to open a text editor like Notepad or WordPad. 1. Click on Start, Programs, Accessories, Notepad. 2. Open the new page and type out the HTML code. 3. Click File Save. In the Save dialog box, save the file in the desired location with the name having an extension .htm or .html. Viewing the HTML file. HTML pages can be viewed in a browser software. Here we shall use Internet Explorer. Click on the Internet Explorer icon. 2. In the address bar, type the name of the HTML document given the complete path, that is, where it is located, or click the arrow key of the address bar to locate the file. Or click File Open. The Open dialog box appears. Click the Browse window to view the Microsoft Internet Explorer window. Locate the file and click Open. In the Open window, click OK. Modifying the HTML document. After viewing your file in the Internet Explorer, to make changes, you must follow these steps. 1. Open the file in the text editor, say Notepad. 2. Make the changes in the coding in the text editor. 3. Save the file. 4. Open the web browser to check your modifications. If the browser is already open, click the refresh button to view the page with the changes. These steps should be carried out every time you modify the HTML file. Some more tags. Heading tag. The heading tag is a container tag used to specify the headings in a web page. The HTML document can have 6 different levels or sizes of headings. H1 to H6. A bigger suffix gives you a bigger sized heading. Syntax: open tag HN, heading text, close tag HN, where N is the size of the text. Following example shows different level of heading tag and its output. Paragraph tag. The paragraph tag is a container tag used to create paragraphs in an HTML document. It creates a line of space between two paragraphs. Syntax: open p tag, closed p tag. Following example shows paragraph tag and its output. Line break. BR tag. The line break tag is an empty tag used to insert a line break. When we want to display the text in the next line, we insert a line break. Syntax: open body tag, text BR tag, text BR tag, closed body tag. Following example shows the line break tag and its output. Horizontal rule HR tag. The horizontal rule tag is an empty tag which is used to draw a horizontal line on the web page. Syntax: HR tag. Following example shows horizontal tag and its output. Pre-formatted text pre-tag. The pre-formatted text tag allows you to retain the format of the text as entered in the editor. Syntax: open pre-tag, text, closed pre-tag. Following example shows pre-formatted tag and its output. Attributes. Tags can have some optional commands called attributes inside them, which provide additional information about the elements of the web page. Body tag attributes. Several attributes can be defined with the body tag, such as BG color, background, text, left margin, right margin. These attributes will define formatting features of the entire body of the HTML document. BG color attributes. We can give attractive colors to the background of our web page by using the BG color attribute. There are 16 colors available for the background. 1. Black. 2. Blue. 3. Cyan. 4. Magenta. 5. Grey. 6. Green. 7. Lime. 8. Maroon. 9. Navy. 10. Olive. 11. Purple. 12. Red. 13. Silver. 14. Teal. 15. White. 16. Yellow. Syntax: body BG color tag is equal to color name tag. Following example shows background color tag and its output. This will give a blue background to your web page. Background attribute. We can also put a picture in the background of a web page. We cannot use the background and BG color attributes together. Syntax: body background tag is equal to file name tag. Following example shows background picture and its output. Note: if the image file for the background is in the same directory or folder as the HTML file, we can simply give the file name. But if the file is located elsewhere other than the same directory, we have to give the complete location. The background picture can be of BMP, GIF or JPEG type. Text. The text attribute is used to give color to the body text. This attribute will color all the text in the HTML page in one color. Syntax. Body text tag is equal to color name tag. Contents of the page. Closed body tag. Following example shows the text attribute and its output. Font tag and its attributes. The font tag is used to format a block of the text. You can change the font type, size, color of the text in a paragraph with the help of its attributes. Syntax. Open font tag, text, close font tag. Attributes of the font tag. Face. This attribute is used to specify the font type, that is Arial, Times New Roman, Century Gothic, color. This attribute is used to specify the font color. Size. This attribute is used to specify the size of the font. The number can be in the range of 1 to 7, 1 being the smallest font size and 7 being the largest. The default size is 3. Syntax. Open font face is equal to font name, color is equal to color name, size, close font size. Text to be entered here. Closed font tag. Following example shows the font attribute and its output. Bold, italics, underline and strike tags. Bold. The bold tag specifies that the enclosed text should be appear in boldface. Syntax. Open B tag, text, closed B tag. Italics. The italics tag indicates that the enclosed text should appear in italics. Syntax. Open I tag, text, closed I tag. Underline. The underline tag indicates that the enclosed text should be underlined. Syntax. Open U tag, text, closed U tag. Following example shows the font attribute and its output. Nesting or combining of tags. Tags can be nested or combined to get an effect. Following example shows the nesting or combining of tags and its output. Summary. In this chapter, we have learned following points. The HTML documents is made up of the text, headings, paragraphs, tables, horizontal lines, lists, etc. These are known as the elements of the HTML document. The HTML page also has elements called tags and attributes, which are marks that are embedded in the text. All HTML pages are contained within the Open HTML tag and Closed HTML tags. HTML pages can be viewed in browser like the Internet Explorer. Files created by HTML ends with the suffix .html or .htm.